Okay, go. Where's your gun? Where's your glass? Where's the glass?
Put those cows down on the ground. Then I'll just put my mighty paws.
Nanonood pa rin ako sa kanya. Gamit yung isang account ko. Nanonood ako. Baka may taga-review. Baka nga, may kasama siguro ito. May kausap man siya. Hindi ko pa. May kausap man siya.
Great job, mighty pups.
It's time for Paw Patrol Trivia. How well do you know the pups and the world of Adventure Bay? Let's find out. What object gave Paw Patrol superpowers? A stinky sock, a shiny cup,
Dito ko pala sa live ni Mami Jen. Crispy.
I wonder what it could be. It's a meteor. The Lady Meteor gave Paw Patrol their superpowers.
Hanapin din viewers. Ma'am, pwede ko ni mo.
Paw Patrol, ready first.
Gusto ka i-block, tiga?
Tracker went to check out a sound in the jungle, and then he vanished. We have to track Tracker? That's right. So for this mission, I'll need Chase. Chase is on the chase. And Sky. This puppy's gonna fly. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. This is a good place to start the drone search. Boom!
May mga bastos. Kahit na ganito lang ako nakikipag-chikahan ko. May mga bastos din na Crispy.
Maybe he's seen Tracker. Sky.
Ano pa kaya pag ganito?
Helicopter. Wait, Ryder, I found them. Wait,
Mami, hello! Rio, Audrey, hello!
your drone's getting close to look.
What happened? Oops, my baby! You wake up in the town. Oops, we broke up. Are you full? Are you full? Are you full? I love you. Bobby ni Mami. I love you. I love you. I love you. Korea anak berat Mami. Yes!
Bring over some boards that Carlos was using for the treehouse. Don't lose it, reuse it. Done.
Oops, we broke up. No, go there.
Whenever you're in trouble,
Sorry, ma'am.
for help.
Huwag kang ganyan dito, John Ray. Kung gusto mo, i-block kita.
Paw Patroller has 8 wheels.
Di ako nagbabastos dito. Kung gusto mo ng ganon-ganon, hindi wag ka magano. Pag dito sa akin.
Is that you? Yeah. Chicoletta and I fell asleep, and when we woke up, we somehow switched bodies. Wow, that's really
Okay.
strange. Thanks for hurrying, Pops. And Chick, the strong winds lifted the
Good morning. Good afternoon. Follow my live, guys. Follow and subscribe my channel.
to move the boxes back to the bed. And Chick,
Oops.
Paw Patrol
Oops.
is on a roll.
Sako ko.
Where's Chick and Chicoletta?
Dikas daw kaka appens. Hello. Hello. Shout out, loves.
Teamwork takes time, but we'll get there.
Suko
I know you will
ko
check
na
out
ba?
Chase. Okay,
Suko na ko.
start building a trailer.
Galit na ako, Galit na ako, Crispy.
Trailer is ready. Okay, Marshall, let's hook this onto your engine. Pull the boat back down to the bay.
Oops, we broke up. Na 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 na. Na na na.
The trailer's come loose.
Maitim asawa. Wonderful. Thank you very much. Crispy, maitim asawa. Nakita mo yung asawa niya?
Here's the trailer. When I say
Nanonood ka din ng live niya ngayon? Init ulit niya pa yun. Hindi, kasi naintindihan mo ba yung comment niya, Crispy? Di ba kasi naintindihan yung comment niya?